Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford Edge ST. The exterior color is an Agate Black, and under the hood we have a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Ventus Noble tires as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2019 Edge also comes with a remote start and an engine block heater. At the rear we have a power lift tailgate and a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior we have driver-friendly features such as power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and lots of storage space. As we move into the cabin, we have lovely black leather seating with our adjustments located on the side as well as lumbar support. Over at our steering column we have our headlamp settings as well as a telescopic steering wheel with cruise control options on the left and media and hands-free options on the right. Just above is our rear view mirror with our cabin lighting as well as a beautiful moonroof. Looking forward, you can see this pre-owned 2019 Edge has 50,920 kilometers on it. As we look ahead at our center face, you'll see options such as Sirius radio along with audio, climate, phone integration, navigation, apps, and settings. Just below is our climate control area that provides both air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin, along with both heated and cooling seats for passengers and driver to enjoy. In the middle console area, we offer dual cup holders, a dial gear shift, and tons of storage. At the rear, passengers have power windows and door storage. In the cabin, our bench seating provides tons of leg space as well as headroom. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Edge ST, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in our store and answering any questions you may have. I'd like to thank you for shopping with us at Boundary Ford.